Do you have a 2017 or newer F150 or Super Duty? Is your better half complaining about her manual passenger seat being uncomfortable? Or are you a salesman at a new or used truck dealership about to lose the deal due to a manual passenger seat? Well, with our 8 or 10-way power passenger seat conversion kit, you can save the sale and stop the bitching. Here is the process on how to add power to your passenger seat step by step. First, remove the recline lever by pulling out the metal clip with a pick tool. Next, remove the side trim panel. Remove the rear screw and the front screw. Separate the yellow airbag connector. Separate the J-channel clip. Unclip the wire harness from the frame. Next, remove the J-channel clips from the seat bottom. Use a T50 and remove the lean back bolts. Remove the inner plastic panel. There are 2 screws. Stop. Everything I place to my right are items you need to reinstall on your new power seat frame. Next, unscrew the other 2 lean back bolts, unhook the female seatbelt receptor harness, and bolt and keep them. Separate the lean back from the seat bottom. Remove the headrest, unzip the lean back material. Unclip the J-channel clips. Next, remove the headrest guides, push in the side retainer, and pull the guide out. Next, unclip the spring-loaded airbag wire. Remove the 2 airbag nuts. Separate the foam from the frame. Remove the airbag harness and toss the frame. Remove the clips from the seat bottom and remove the foam and material. Next, remove the passenger occupancy sensor pad. Do not cut the clear tube. Unhook the wire from the sensor and unscrew it. Now gently pull out the entire passenger occupancy sensor unit. Remove the foam support Save the foam support. They crack easily. You may need it someday. And remove the lower harness. Then, toss the manual seat track. Unbox your power conversion seat frame. Here are the power motors and your simple 2-wire hookup. Note, you need to screw the occupancy sensor in first before you install the occupancy sensor pad. Now simply reverse the entire process.